Hi everyone, this video is going to be about one very helpful feature. It's called Rename with AI for the File Manager. Let's say you have 20 or 50 pages project and all the pages are labeled with some numeric codes or some uninformative names and you need to rename them all. It will take a lot of time and switching between those pages will be a bit tricky. So that's when Rename with AI comes in handy. Let's see how it works. So I have one of my projects here and I go to the File Manager. In the File Manager, I need to locate Rename with AI button and click Rename with AI. The AI will first try to provide you with some automated results, but you will still need to adjust them in the majority of cases. So, Rename with AI feature is an integration with ChatGPT, so the logic will be similar to what you do in ChatGPT. So you would need to type in the text request to let the feature know what result you want to get from this renaming. So for example, I put rename pages according to their level numbers, and I would give it a format, level XX, and I click improve. I can see that it provided me with pretty precise results, but for example, for this two results, it added this L here, but I can adjust all the results manually. So you don't have to, you can of course restart if something like isn't even close enough to what you wanted to get. But if just some minor adjustments need to be done, you can do them manually. So now I have the result that I want and I just click apply. And now I have all my pages named accordingly. Let's take a look at a different example. I have my other project here and I'm already in the File Manager. I click Rename with AI and the AI will try to rename again the pages automatically, and that's what I wanted to show you. Sometimes it's very convenient to rename pages according to the type of plan or the name of plan that is on each specific page to see what each page is for. So it did it pretty well without even my prompt. So it named the pages according to the text provided to the title, I believe. So let's ask it to rename pages according to their title. I believe it's going to be pretty similar. Yes, because it already pulled up the information about their title, but you can, of course, you can add some additional requests. For example, I want all the names to be uppercase, and I will use uppercase only command, click improve, and I will have again all the floors in the uppercase format right now. Again, as I said, you can just delete some parts or adjust them manually if something is slightly incorrect. And now I have this new naming that allows me to switch between pages easily, so I understand what plan each page has. And I click apply. Of course, it may take a couple of attempts to get the result that you need, just because the request should be clear and precise enough for the AI to understand it, but it's still much quicker to do it this way because it takes just a couple of seconds rather than renaming all the pages manually. So I hope you enjoyed this video and that you go and try this tool in Kreo. Bye!